We are vlog day 2 and walking through a park by Columbia University. You cannot see me. Morningside Park. Got my hat on. I'm very fashion forward. So we're in this park, going back to look at an apartment for Sarah. This is the door to the first apartment we're checking out for Sarah. So it's actually a really, I think it's a nice area. Seems nice. There's lots of little delis and Subway and Starbucks and little groceries and lots of little family-owned places, but it's what you want in your neighborhood with some personality. So we're here super early to meet with the person. This would be a roommate situation. So stay tuned for inside the apartment. Apartment hunting number 1, hopefully number only. Not to spoil anything, but Sarah did end up getting this apartment. Apartments in New York City go extremely quickly, and most of the ones she looked at were gone on their first day of viewings. We knew that if we liked something, we should probably put a deposit down before leaving. The room you're seeing is the one that Sarah's renting in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in the Morningside Heights area of New York City. And yes, you're seeing that right. Her closet door is a regular door sawed in half. Her 2 roommates are men, and she's the only woman in the apartment, so they were courteous enough to give her her own bathroom, and they share the second bathroom. This apartment is a 3rd floor walk-up, meaning there's no elevator. It's had a fairly recent renovation, so it definitely feels nice and clean. There are many of the basic appliances needed located in the kitchen/living room area, and this apartment even includes a washer-dryer. It's a combo washer-dryer, as you can see next to the refrigerator, which has taken some learning for Sarah to figure out how to use. The apartment seems to be in a fairly safe area and definitely feels a lot nicer than some of the other ones that we saw from the outside. Although there have been some issues, which I'll let Sarah share, possibly in a later video. And for possibly the most important piece of information, the cost of renting this bedroom in this apartment for Sarah is $1,300 per month, and she believes her roommates' rooms are slightly larger and they pay a little bit more. Maybe I can get Sarah to record an updated room tour now that she's been there a while. What did we just do?
I just put down a deposit on an apartment. I will be living pretty much 1 block away from this nice waterfall.
1 block away from this waterfall. She's gonna slide down it a few times into the cesspool below. Look at that.
Yeah, it's not too nice. Don't look at that. Just look at the waterfall.
Look at this beautiful tree. All right, the sun's coming up. Hold on. 4 turtles. That one's looking right at me. Okay, let me sit on a rock and you can take my picture looking contemplative.
Okay.
We have to find out the source of that water.
You can see an artificial leg in there.
Me too.
Oh, there's another cat.
Yeah.
It's the kingdom of the cats.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's food. People are sending food. I think somebody lives there.
Oh no. Let's go.
See at least 5 cats.
Oh dear.
Somebody definitely lives there.
Those doors are so cool. I want my picture. Abs of steel, Sarah.
Magnolia.
There were abs of steel. Hardware, housewares. Look at it, it's a corgis. It's corgis. Fresh eggs. It's like a farmer's market. All the way down.
Keep going. I'm not going to buy anything. I'm not hungry.
But cherries. I want watermelon. Let's keep looking at all the things. Or statues. Let's go. Okay, you can go in. This is where you'll be attending classes. Look at that building, that's cool. That one's cool. Barnard. We're on campus now. This is where Hamilton went to college. Sure, they'll make you one. Oh, you need to be oriented. Maybe I should get a Columbia University sweatshirt. Maybe that's what I should do. Sarah, they have wiener dog socks. So we were just walking from Columbia, which is right down there, and I realized I saw the writing on this, and I was like, that's the Seinfeld restaurant, and it sure is. I'm sure the inside looks nothing like it, right?
Apparently not.
Yeah, so there it is, Tom's Restaurant. Oh dear. All right. Hi. So Sarah found an apartment and now we are just touring the city. There's not a whole lot. My shoe, oh no. My shoe is broken. I had to band-aid it and the band-aid just fell off just now. So we're gonna see how this goes. Walking all the way across Central Park and then doing touristy stuff. I may end up buying a pair of flip-flops actually. Why didn't I do that? We'll check back in later. My shoes are destroyed. We're gonna walk across Central Park. Yay! I need a double park. It's pretty. People sunbathing. I am so good. I see a lot of dogs. Okay, there's the Guggenheim. Now last time we were here, we had to scale this wall. And what you don't know is that's about 50 feet on the other side. So we actually didn't scale the wall, but we wanted to because we couldn't get out of the park.
We were lost, desperately.
And then because of the effort to get into it and because it was covered in scrim and 2 out of 3 galleries are closed, we nicknamed it the Guggensuck. And I have called it that since. So maybe we'll give it a chance to redeem itself.
Really? I like those though.
Yeah, it's cool.
I like the very stupid one.
So here we have the Met. I've been there before, but I want to go there again. And it's a little busy on a Sunday, I'm sure. And it's not cheap. So we'll wait on that one. I don't know. We'll have to check it out. It's blinking, Sarah. I'm gonna go. We're on Madison Avenue trying to find cheap food and cheap shoes. I think we're on the wrong street. Cohen's. Oh, there's Yogurt and Candy World. I don't think it's the one, but neon uniform?
Yeah. Take a moment later.